Hey, how's it going? Amelia here. Let's check out what's making news. Billie Eilish has hit back at body shamers who criticised her appearance on social media. She's been pretty vocal about the issue in the past and says it's time to start normalising bodies of all shapes and sizes. Here's Charlotte.
It all started with these paparazzi photos and a man who used them to make fun of Billie Eilish's body on social media.
It seems that someone has chosen to comment on the fact that she doesn't seem to look like the very narrow, socially constructed sort of appearance ideals that exist for women. And those ideals are really unrealistically thin, and very few people actually naturally look that way. In reality, healthy bodies come in all sorts of shapes and sizes.
The internet agreed. Many people responded that there's nothing wrong with her and that body shaming isn't okay. It's an issue Billie's pretty passionate about and has spoken out on before. She says she tends to wear baggy clothing to avoid trolls and even released this short video, which now has almost 30 million views.
Some people hate what I wear. Some people praise it.
This time, Billie reposted a TikTok about how normal bodies are often different to what we see on TV and social media.
Y'all gotta start normalizing real bodies, okay?
Guts are normal. They're normal.
Instagram isn't real.
Since then, more people have come out in support of her, and experts say it's important not to listen to the haters.
If someone says something negative to you about the way that you look, even though it's really hard to do this, one of the best things to do is to try and reject it. That person's saying things for all sorts of reasons that are probably related to their own insecurities, and bodies come in all shapes and sizes. It doesn't really matter what your body looks like, it's about what it can do.
2, just 2. That's the number of new coronavirus cases in Victoria today. It's the state's lowest daily figure since June. And there's some more positive news on the way. On Sunday, the Victorian government is set to make an announcement on easing restrictions. Can you still enjoy a sausage sizzle during a pandemic? Yes. The answer is yes. Canberrans voting in ACT elections this weekend will be able to order a freshly cooked snag and have it dropped straight to their door by a drone delivery service. The catch? You need to live in the Gungahlin region and order between the hours of 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Not sure how you ask for extra onions. Now it's time for a sport that's fast and fun and not for the faint-hearted. It's BMX Racing, and we're going to meet some up-and-coming stars in the Northern Territory who are learning from one of the world's best.
From steep drops to dizzying hills and sharp angles, these girls are crushing the track. It probably helps that they're getting some tips from world number 7, Saya Sakakibara. Normally, she'd be travelling the globe for comps, but with international sport mostly on hold this year, she's spending some time here in Darwin, teaching young BMXers some sick tricks.
Growing up, I didn't have many girls to race against, so I spent a lot of my time racing the boys.
She says it's great to see so many girls getting involved in the sport and wants more of them to give it a shot.
Good cranks out of this blue cone, weaving through, and then weaving back around.
I feel like there should be more girls. I came down and tried and I really liked it.
Well, like making new friends and having fun.
They reckon it's pretty cool to learn from an Aussie icon and to prove they're seriously skilled on the track.
Boys think that they're the best and they're good at everything. While us girls, we show them that we're better and we can be way better than them.
It doesn't matter how fluffy, fun or feathery, even the cutest of creatures can have a bad day. It's time for angry, angry animals. Oh, it's a koala, how cute. Yep, in case you didn't realise, koalas actually have very loud, angry voices, as George here proved in this video from a koala sanctuary in Gippsland. Who would win in a fight, a cockatoo or a goanna? Well, so far it looks like the goanna is winning by playing it cool, but this angry cocky in Queensland was really not happy to be sharing its tree, and I'm not sure if it was fighting fair. And okay, these animals will be the angriest of all when they find out their owners are taking silly pictures of them and putting them up on the internet. Yep, this is the unflattering dog photo challenge. And look, it's not pretty. If you want to see more videos just like this one, then you can head to our YouTube channel by typing in www. Oh, don't even worry about that. Just hit the subscribe button right down there so you never miss out on an episode.